First, install the device with the correct distance shown as the drawing. Connect the fiber optic cables and power cables of all machines properly. Take out the splicing control box and HD video cable. For easy identification, mark the fiber optic cable with A1, A2 or A1, B1 to know the position of devices. You will see the numbers of the sockets on the splicing box. Insert the fiber optic cables into the corresponding position. Plug in the HD video cable and power cable as the video showing. After the splicing box is connected, plug the other end of the HD video cable into the computer. Multiple splice box connections. If your splicing exceeds 4 units, you need to add splicing boxes and video distributors. Connect each splice box in the marked order. Then connect all the high-definition video input ports of the splicing boxes. Connect to the output port of the video distributor. Then insert the longest HD video cable into the video input port of the video distributor. Plug the other end of the HD video cable into the computer. Computer settings. Prepare a computer as the following request. Plug the HD video cable into the computer. If the device is far from the computer, you can prepare a longer HD video cable. Right-click on mouse of the computer desktop and select Display Settings. If the splicing box is successfully connected, it will have one more screen here. We need to change the display mode to expand these displays. At this time, if the window appears on another monitor, move the mouse over and drag the window as the video showing. Now it's the expansion mode, with 2 monitors, one is for the computer and the other one is for the advertising machine. Then we need to customize the resolution of the advertising machine screen. Right-click on the desktop to locate the media control panel and open it. Find the option to change resolution in the display settings. The 2 screens just set will appear on the monitor here. We select the screen of the advertising machine. Click on the customization below. Click to create a custom resolution. Enter the resolution of our stitching. Select CVT at the standard button. Click Testing. Select to keep. Select the resolution we just created and click on Apply. Return to Display Settings. You can see that the screen of the advertising machine has been modified. Now we open the prepared splicing animations. Drag onto the advertising machine screen to play full screen, and you will see it. This method only applies when the material resolution and desktop resolution are the same. Software installation and user guide. To manage the playback animations easy, we can install software to control them. You can use OBS, and VLC can be downloaded on the official website. OBS is the main software, and VLC is used as a plugin for OBS. After installation, open the OBS software. Click on the settings in the bottom right corner. Change the resolution output in the video to the splicing resolution. Click plus select image in the source window. Import a line image and observe if the angle of the machine needs to be adjusted. Right-click. Transform. Fit to screen. Right-click. Full screen projector. Preview. Select splicing device. Now you can see the pictures we imported on the machine. Once the angle is no problem, import the animations. Click plus in the source window and select VLC video source. Import the splicing animations we want to play. You can select multiple options here and import them together. The material we imported is now displayed on the device. Click to create a VLC video source. There are playback control buttons and a playback progress bar. we can freely control the animations to be played. Play audio. If we need to play audio, prepare a speaker, connect the speaker's cable to the computer, or use Bluetooth speaker connection. In the audio mixer window, select the video layer and click on the back 3 points. Click Advanced Audio Properties, Audio's Monitoring to monitor and output. The speaker of the system needs to insert into the selected audio device. There is sound now. Real-time human display. Prepare a green or blue screen, and the on-site lighting should be very bright. Prepare a camera. We recommend this kind of USB port connection. It is easy to use and operate. Plug in the computer connection. Open OBS, click plus in the source window, and select the video capture device. Select the latest inserted camera of the device. Make sure the camera is properly connected here, otherwise you won't see the options. Choose a higher resolution. Click OK. Click on the camera layer in the source window to adjust the camera to the appropriate position. Select the camera layer, right-click, Filter. Add a chroma key below the effect filter for image matting. Key color type select green, and adjust similarity and smoothness to the more real and good effect.